Hi friends! We are going to be working on our next scooter and we're going to be repairing her hair. This is the scooter that we did before and how we repaired it live in our last video. I'm going to put the link to that video for our new watchers that are not aware of her. She looks pretty okay, even though that her hair is loose. Her bows are out. Her bangs are in pretty good condition. They are short, but overall her hair is set. It's just that her hair is a little bit messy, and I'm not going to put a rubber band on her because those new ones, or maybe I'm using the wrong ones, they break very easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of preset her hair because this one was kind of out of place, and brush the bangs because there's some bangs in between, and I don't like it when that happens. I don't know why it happens. I just think that Mattel maybe just cut the bangs or just put the hair on the side, to its side, and went ahead with the setting. Okay. This is as good as it's going to get here. And what I'm going to do is use thread. I'm going to wrap it around. Hopefully I have enough. I'm going to wrap it around and keep it there. Oh, I might need more. I'm going to keep it there. And what I'm going to be focusing on is keeping her hair close to her ear, just like this one is. The right one, when I got her, was already preset. So that's basically factory condition. So I'm going to wrap the thread around, leave enough so that I can close it or make a knot, and get all the hair in there. Let me see. I think that would be easier like this. Okay, there. So I'm going to take that much. Start wrapping it around. I'm going to cut it. And do this rather quickly here. I'm going to make a knot first. That's going to help me. There. I'm going to take her off of her stand because it's making it a little bit difficult. So now that I have the knot, I'm going to put it over here. I'm just going to be going round and round. Okay. It's important that the look is there before I make the final knot. I don't want to have any hair out of place. Okay. That looks pretty good. And I'm going to do the knot. Next video with the Scooter, I'm going to try to find one that's really bad, to where we're going to try to set it and do a little blow drying live to see how the hair turns out. Okay, this one is done. And later on, I'm going to put a bow on her. Okay, now we're going to be working. See that? It looks really good. Now we're going to be working on the other side. Here's my thread. This is too short. I do the same thing. I think it would have been easier to use a rubber band, but I think everybody might have some thread at home, and help you do something. If you have a scooter where her hair is not so perfect. Okay. I'm holding her while I'm doing this. Last time I had the stand, but after I did the knot, it was difficult to have her in the stand. Okay, there we go. All right, we're going to make sure that it's set. Oh, there's a little bit of fly hair here, so we're going to do this again. All right, I'm going to put her in the stand. Help me this time. All right. And last, after we do this, we're going to work on the bangs. And I'm going to look for some pink ribbon. Preferably I'm going to look for some bubblegum pink to finish her off, or to actually finish the look. Okay, there we go. It's important to have the hair placed, because when we do the wrapping of the thread, or when we're going to be putting the rubber band, it's going to stay that way. All right, here we go. I'm going to try this again, and see that I am holding her hair in place in order to keep her little loop, her little hair loop. Okay, there. Okay. If you have a scooter that's giving you trouble that her hair is not staying, you can put a rubber band around her neck and her curl to kind of train it down. I'm going to use red this time, and after the video I'm going to look for the bubblegum pink one, and I'm going to put it on her. And I will do an Instagram post when I do that I was able to change it. Okay, so here's one round up here, and I'm going to tighten it up. Oops. I'm going to tighten it up and hold it, and then do the other one. The problem is that it's right there. The ear was kind of taking a little bulge. Alright, this is something I'm going to need to do, setting her down just like I did last time. Okay, I'm going to set her down, and I'll be right back. So in the meantime, you can enjoy the other scooter. I'm doing this live because I'm using the phone, and I don't have some apps in here. And until I get my computer, I'll be able to clip. So these are tough little moments right now with doing the video taping. Okay, I am coming back with the Skooter. Thank you for staying with me. I'm clipping her ribbon so that you don't get to see the excess. And here she is. I should do it this way. With the bows, she's just gonna look perfect. And her bangs are pretty good. Let's see if you can see. I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of trimming because there are some fly hair in here. I think you can see it right there. A little bit of flyaway. But, let me see. Do it now. I see some flyaway here. Okay, there's one right here. I don't know if you can see it. So while I'm finishing this, I'm going to take the moment to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comments. And I would appreciate a share. That's going to help my channel grow and be able to have more videos like this. If there is something that you would like to see restored, please leave a comment here on this video and I will keep communication with you, and I will try to have it on our next video on next Friday. That's what I'll be doing. Each Friday I'm going to try to have a doll restoration of one sort, of one way or another. Doesn't necessarily need to be Skooter. It could be Barbie or Francie, and what problems you have, and we can figure it out together. I hope you liked the video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.